Hello, we are Team Midport Scandinavia, and our project for this Infor Hackathon has been Enhance Service Order Lifecycle with Infor AI. We have used a couple of different Infor components such as LN, Ion, Data Fabric, API, AI, and Workspaces with its widgets. Here on screen you see a simplification of it, but let's go into the actual LN client. So here we have set up some datasets to publish. In this dataset, we have 5 tables from TS-SOC 200 service order until TS-SOC 240. We are publishing the data directly into Infor Data Lake. So let's go and take a look at the data fabric. And here I prepared, so you can see here, TS-SOC 200. I'll click this again. And we can see here we're loading up a JSON file with a lot of data. We then go to Ion and we use the workflows to send the data to artificial intelligence. So in here, let's go to datasets first. We have a couple of datasets directly from Data Lake, and here are some datasets we are sending back after we are doing our machine learning quests. For the machine learning quest, we have only 2 we have actually been able to set up completely. We would like to do more, but we would need a bit more time. We have first here one anomaly detection, which is using a custom algorithm of isolation forest. We are comparing amounts versus duration for this. We also have service order labor cost, which is a predictive analysis. So let's go and take a quick look at that one. First we do our training. And then in our batch, we can see here that we have some data sets we're inputting. We're then selecting what things we want. We are modifying some stuff. We're selecting our features and our labels. We're handling some missing data. We're scoring the model. And after we have scored a model, we will then modify it a bit so it looks nicer. There are more things to do with that, as you will see later. We're also ingesting it back to Data Lake. So then we are using the Ion API for the Workspace widgets to pick up the data from the Data Lake afterwards. So let's go and take a look. These widgets have been built using the Widget SDK, and most of them right now do not use the actual AI-based data, and they just use sample data. But this top one uses AI data that certainly can be improved. But here's a understanding of what we're trying to achieve. So first off, you can see here the information could be cleaned up a little bit, but we're detecting based on the amount of hours and costs, whether it's an anomaly or not. And different colors show if it's not. We also have service order volume forecast. We could also try to predict the amount of hours for labor, which was something we planned to get here, but we didn't make it. Some other small graphs we're doing is the service order volume by month, some status for each service order so you know how many are in free, for instance. Then some cost split up for each service order so you can get some general information. For this hackathon, our mission statement was to enhance the monitoring and analysis and optimization for the service order lifecycle within LN ERPs to address those issues of the lack of predictive insight and difficulty in detecting anomalies. There's still a lot of things we can improve. For instance, in the AI section, we could improve the number of features we're using. We could also improve the selection of our features for the models. We could test and find some more optimal parameters for tuning our model. We could add some additional quests, of course, to have more types of predictions. For the widgets, we could improve the aesthetics. We would like to improve some SQLs, because they're right now just written very quickly. We would like to explore some perhaps different presentation styles. And, of course, have more charts.